Welcome to the next generation of touch-free turbo compressors. Our unique technological advances, combined with ingenious engineering work, have brought to life a range of compressors that far surpasses the legacy technologies both in performance and life cycle cost. Our touch-free technology enables reliable and 100% oil-free design and eliminates risks of compressed air contamination. Our touch-free compressors are designed around a simple yet unique principle. Parts that don't touch, don't wear, and parts that don't wear, don't fail. We've eliminated all metal-to-metal contact between rotating components, so there are no moving parts to wear, replace, lubricate, waste energy, or maintain. Just as importantly, you won't find one drop of oil anywhere inside our touch-free compressors. Our direct-driven turbo compressors are fully free of machine maintenance to critical components, free of component failure, and free of any oil contamination risk. That's what makes the touch-free difference. To secure the highest reliability, we use the best components in our products. All of our compressors are equipped with touchscreen user interface for local or remote monitoring and operating the unit. Whether it is high efficiency, reliability, cost or energy savings you're looking for, our compressors meet your needs. As all our compressors are 100% oil-free, we satisfy the quality requirements of all customers who want to eliminate the risks of contaminated air. We're the natural fit for industries with 0% tolerance for any oil contamination, such as food and beverage, electronics, chemical, automotive, textile and printing, to name a few. Now there's a better way to achieve compressed air. With touch-free air, you won't have to touch a thing, not your compressor, not your production schedule, not even your working capital. Because at Tamturbo, it's no longer about the air compressor, it's all about the air. Tamturbo, just air.